I'm Stephen Deland. I'm the network manager. I've worked for Davis School District for about 25 years. Computer refresh is refreshing all devices that are aged in our district, and it's a process of bringing in the new machines to get rid of the old machines. That's all part of the refresh program. So after 5 years on staff machines and lab machines, we refresh those. And the student laptops, we refresh those out every 3 years. This year we got about 17,000 of those devices in. And so as we progress every year, we'll get about that many in. And as we start to age those out, we'll then remove the 17,000 and bring the 17,000 in to replace those.
It starts months in advance with the ordering of computers, and there's various teams like the STSs and the principals and secretaries, a technology team at the schools that figures out what devices they're in need of. And then from there we take it, once the devices are all deemed good, we take them and we unbox them. All of the trash is We ended up with 16 recycling bins full of cardboard this year. The devices are then scanned, so we have a physical inventory of everything that's going to the schools, and then they're placed on pallets and shipped to the schools. We did 2,457 new devices this year. That did not include our 17,500 cloud books. We moved 2,400 devices within the schools. We removed 3,400 devices, and we transferred 500 devices between schools. We wired 570 carts, and we have 49 days to do that.
We really get started right as school ends is when we have all of our people start going out there and actually doing the machines out at the schools, and then we're doing that all the way up to the start of the school year. We have 8 hardware techs, and each hardware tech has 2 temporary employees with them for the summer. So we have roughly 8 people at 8 different locations doing summer refresh at all the schools at any given time. This summer we went out a lot and did a lot of the staff machines, and then once the cloud books got delivered to us and out to the locations, we went back and provisioned them and set them, wired them in the carts and set them out where they were to be set out.
So some of the challenges that we face during the summertime, obviously the heat. The schools aren't air conditioned. We also have logistics of shipping. Sometimes we're waiting for machines to get there. We can't do much until they get there. So trying to be almost project managers for our schools and making sure that everything gets done in time. My goal and our team's goal is, with Refresh, take the stress of the technology away from the teachers so that when they come back and when the students come back, the technology's working, it's in place, it's ready to go for them for the start of the school year.
It takes a large group of talented people. And that's what we have here at Davis School District. It's multi-department, it's not just our department alone. And without them, this refresh program wouldn't work.